Okay, we're down here at Trail Hero 2023 in Sand Hollow. We're putting on a tailgate trash bag on a ram. Steph's going to show how it's all done here. It's a two-person job. One person to hold the tailgate and one to fish the straps through. So. Going back down?
Go back down?
Yeah. You can go up. Okay. Got that one?
No. Turn it up a little bit?
Oh, up a little bit?
No, I was loosening it up.
Oh. Adjusted there. Rotate it forward a little bit. Okay. So these are going to attach to the bag here and here, and then the ones that are inside there. So let's show the back there. There you go. And I think he's going to leave that tailgate down so we can leave the bottom ones. We can go ahead and finish it, and then we'll show what it looks like there, and then down when the tailgate's down. So we'll have to tighten all these up a little tighter and stuff, but that's the install, and then just the fine-tune adjustments. Same with these outer straps. We'll tighten those down quite a bit.
And then we'll drop it down.
So, and drop the tailgate. That way, when you're around camp, and you're going in and out, you can still use the trash. Go ahead and flip that. Yeah. So when you're looking for this one for the Ram, it also fits the Gladiator and the Toyota. So that's what we got there for an install. Trail Hero 2023.